Well, guys, this just arrived about 2 minutes ago. It's my loot crate, November's loot crate. So we're just going to do the unboxing and see what's in here. So let's go ahead. The theme is celebrate. Official member, loot crate, my looter number. A blue TARDIS balloon, cool. Dragon-backed bicycle playing cards. That's cool, I like that. Sound blasting speaker, Cartman. Cool. I like Cartman. Ooh, a Batman Mighty Wallet. Very cool. Police call box sticker. Also very cool. Target shot glass. And Be Fast nutritious breakfast shake, berry. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Just about the Mighty Wallet. And hi looters, like just a coupon for Be Fast. There you have it, guys. That's the November loot crate. Mine's arriving a little late because it's December 3rd, but it's pretty typical for them for sending me mine anyway. So we're just going to put this stuff back in here. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you check out my other videos on YouTube. Until next time, see you later.